Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I got another print-on-demand video for you here today. This is all about personalized print-on-demand journals, probably a product that you might not have seen too often, and that's always a good thing if you want to jump into something unique. But let me first describe what print-on-demand is. It's definitely the best business model on the internet today. You basically get to sell hundreds of different types of products like t-shirts, apparel, home decor, wall canvas, jewelry. They even have these crazy print-on-demand dolls. And you can do all of that without ever touching the product, paying for it up front, or even dealing with fulfillment or shipping. And the name really describes itself, right? Print-on-demand, produce when ordered. And the idea here is that the product won't be produced until it's ordered, which means the product won't exist until you already get paid for it. And that's really the best part about print-on-demand. And here's how it's going to work. You're going to create designs for the different print-on-demand products, and then you're going to get them added into your Shopify store. I'll show you how to do that step by step in this video. Just like any other product, a customer can come in and purchase your print-on-demand products and obviously pay you for them. You get to sit there and collect your profit, and the best part is your job is now done. There's nothing else that you need to do because automatically the print-on-demand partner is going to receive the customer information and the order information, and they'll automatically get started with creating the product, shipping the product, and even providing the tracking information to your customer on your behalf. Everything is done for you with print-on-demand. That's why it's so great. Now, why would you want to sell personalized journals? Well, first of all, as a Shopify print-on-demand entrepreneur, you always need to be looking for unique, new, and intriguing products. And because we're going to allow our customers to personalize these journals, the design of it, the text on it, how it looks, right? All the colors, etc., that means we're always going to be offering a truly unique product. And that's the power of print-on-demand plus personalization. There's zero risk. With print-on-demand, you have no upfront product cost, so you're always going to want to look for those new and exciting products, especially when you can combine personalization on top of that. So how do you sell personalized journals? First of all, you need the Tsunami Print-on-Demand app. You can find it over here at podapp.justinsenior.com. You see the link directly below this video. The Tsunami Print-on-Demand app offers personalization right inside your store. So all you need to do, step 1, install the Print-on-Demand app by Tsunami. Step 2, go inside the product section of the app. Step 3, find the journals and choose your style. And then step 4, add it to your store and promote it just like any other product. And we have a bunch of different options here for our journals. I'm going to show you these step by step. We'll go ahead and create one and add it into our store as we go over the shoulder. And if you want to follow along with me, just make sure you have the free Tsunami app installed. Again, podapp.justinsenior.com. First things first, you need to have the Tsunami Print-on-Demand app. You could see it over here at podapp.justinsenior.com. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. Totally free app as well, so you could immediately get it installed into your store. And then you're going to be able to jump into the app section of your store and open up the Tsunami app and head on over to products. And what we need to do is now find our product, and we're looking for journals. So we come over to the journals section and we see a bunch of different options over here of what we can run with in terms of personalization. We have hardbound leather, hardbound linen, matte, laminate, some more leather-bound ones, hardcover, perfect bound, soft cover, all these different options for our journals. And what we need to do is just simply pick one of the styles. So we have all these different styles over here, and we see the pricing. The black pricing is for free users. The blue pricing, which is a bit cheaper, is for premium users. And we could literally pick any of these. We're going to go over here with this 5x7 spiral bound journal. And with Tsunami Print-on-Demand, there's 3 different options. You have standard print-on-demand, where you just upload a design, and that's how they buy it. You have pre-design, where you upload basically a background, and then they could add images on top or text on top. Or we could allow them to have a fully personalizable setup, which is what we're going to run with here. They're going to be able to upload any image, add any text, set the color, set everything that they want, set the sizing, the positioning, and they'll be able to do all that. So we're going to title this Personalize It, Journal with Your Photos on It. Okay, and over here, we always want to add in our product description information. You can put your 3-part product description if you follow my teachings on that, or really just any type of product description that's going to get people's attention. Now we come up over here. There's really not much that we need to do with Tsunami. That's why it's so great. Everything on one page. We have our selling price. Here's our cost, $11.93. They default to doubling it. Because we're doing personalization, we could often go even higher than what they recommend. We can go with a little bit higher margin, making $13 on a $12 cost. So that's pretty nice in terms of profit, right? Over 50% profit. Here's the production time, 2 to 3 days to get it printed. Here's the shipping time, 3 to 5 days. Here's the shipping costs to the different locations. Again, everything is enclosed in this one page. You'll set that product description to help sell the product. And because we're doing fully personalizable print on demand, there's nothing else that we need to do in terms of the design. You're going to see exactly how this works. I'm going to publish this product to store. Literally only just takes a couple seconds. Okay, now the product is live in our store, and we're going to come over to the product section, and it's already going to be over here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this personalized journal. You see I have a bunch of different products over here. Personalize it, journal with your photos on it. We'll go ahead and click into this product. And what you're going to notice is there's no add to cart button. That's because we don't have the design yet. The customer is going to create the design. So we see the little mock-up over here, and now we click personalize, and this is going to bring up the designer. And this is going to be where we are allowing our customer to upload a front cover and a back cover. You see the little template over here. There's instruction for the customer in terms of how to add that. We could add text, we could add image, we could import images from Facebook or Instagram. We're just going to upload it from our PC. Okay, so I've uploaded an image. It's going to get added over here into our image library, which then will allow us to actually drag those images into the section. So we'll come over here and we'll take this over here. We could add this into our back cover. All right, you see where it's going to get printed with the little blue outline. We could make it bigger. We could make it smaller. We could do anything that we want. We could rotate it. We could add in another image. We could just come over here, add the same image over here. Okay, we could even add text on top. So you see the text editor. All right, we put in the text over here. All right, we can make it smaller. We could change the font. We could change the color. Of course, I'm just kind of messing around with this real quick, but you get the idea. Full control over this design. And when they're happy with it, they just click the add to cart button. And then this product gets saved and added to cart. And you see a really cool thing actually is when they add the product into the cart, the actual image over here, you could ignore this product, the image is going to get uploaded and it's going to actually show the product that I created. It says Justin's Journal. It's got the images over here, and then they're ready to go check out and purchase this product. And there's nothing else that needs to be done because this file is already sent off to the print-on-demand partner. Tsunami is going to do everything, print it, produce it, ship it to the company, or I'm sorry, ship it to the customer, and you won't need to do anything at all. So really powerful, really high margin products when you do personalization. Any product can be personalized with Tsunami, so jump right into it. Make sure you take a look at my YouTube channel. I've got tons and tons of free videos all about print on demand and how to make money online. So make sure you jump into it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and I hope this video helps you out.